Okay, this is a real quick video on how to do the special render passes. So this is shot one, and if we go to the render settings, pull that up, nothing's been set up yet, but now I have this fancy little tool. So clicking this, that'll set up all the general render settings to the right things. It'll name the file prefix and all that other stuff. And then to set the frame range, put this bar to the correct frame range and then click that. And I'll set the range to whatever you said in here. And then the render camera, if I do it right now it's just to perspective. So if I do it, it's not going to do anything. But if I look through the actual render camera and set the camera, it'll set that up correctly as well. And then basically you just have these 5 different passes to go through, and they each need to be rendered separately. So small noise, big noise, facing ratio, curvature, scaly alpha. Basically what you're going to do is you're just going to click the button and it'll change the version label for you for the right thing, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it'll apply all the proper textures, and then you can just render it out like you would a normal render sequence. And so for instance, if we set a small noise, let's change the version label to small noise, and it makes everything look different. You can just render it out like that. So if you go to Arnold, render, and you would want to do render sequence, not just like a single frame render, but you know, it looks like that. So that's small noise, big noise looks pretty much the same. Facing ratio looks kind of like this, and it should show up black in the viewport, but in this view here it shouldn't. Curvature, kind of the same deal, doesn't really show you anything in the viewport. And then scaly alpha is just going to have the skeleton all in white and everything else in black, so we can get it off of there. But yeah, it should be pretty easy to set up, hopefully very easy to use, and just go through those. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or if you run into any issues.